Are you struggling to find a tool that's fast and easy, all in one place, to measure your KPIs to up-level your med spa, plastic surgery office, or elective medical practice? If so, you're in luck. Join me and in less than an hour, walk away with one tool, easy and fast, to know how you're doing and, more importantly, how to improve your business, profitability, and benchmarks. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Kelly Smith, founder and CEO of Projected Growth Consulting, and for the first time ever, I am putting on a workshop with my KPI tool so that you can walk away understanding your numbers, but more importantly, what actions to take to improve not only your revenue, but your profitability. Be sure to click the link below, reserve your spot, they're going fast, and I look forward to seeing you at the upcoming workshop.